Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the COSTWAY. If you're looking for a compact and efficient way to do laundry in small spaces, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the features, pros, and cons of each machine to help you make an informed decision. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring you to crank it by hand, making it an eco-friendly option that doesn't rely on electricity. In contrast, the COSTWAY is an electric twin-tub washing machine, offering the convenience of automatic washing and spinning cycles. This difference in operation is crucial for users who may have limited access to power or prefer a more hands-on approach. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small loads and delicate items. On the other hand, the COSTWAY boasts a larger capacity of 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning, allowing you to wash more clothes at once, which is particularly beneficial for families or those with larger laundry needs. The WonderWash features a compact and retro design, perfect for small spaces and off-grid living. However, it lacks a spinning function. In contrast, the COSTWAY's twin tub design allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, significantly reducing laundry time. This feature, along with its timer control, makes it a more versatile option for users looking for efficiency. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and COSTWAY portable washing machines have their unique advantages. If you prioritize eco-friendliness and compactness, the WonderWash is an excellent choice. However, if you need a larger capacity and the convenience of electric operation, the COSTWAY is the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.